Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll just be showing you the ingredients I used to make my chocolate Bailey's cake. And yes, I used cake mix in this cake because time was against me, so this was the easiest option. Still tasted as though it was made from scratch, so that's all good. So here is the cake in the pan after it's all nicely mixed and stuff. Floured the pan so it doesn't stick. The cakes are in the oven. Baked at 350 degrees. This is one of the cakes after it was fully baked. And this is cake cuts to make the layers. And I used Bailey's buttercream in the middle of all the layers, and then I would have crumb coated, so when I put on the second coat it's nice and smooth like how it is here. And then I popped it in the fridge for it to get a little firm. Then I made the chocolate ganache to go on top, and this is the ganache here. I used a squeeze bottle to make the drips and took a spatula to smooth the top. Once that was done, I added the chocolates and the chocolate covered goodies and the Moscato wine, and this was the end product. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for a more in detailed video of another cake I'll make for Christmas. Bye.